So today we're gonna learn the chapter name the sentences. So what is a sentences? A sentences is a basically nothing but it is a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. So for example, I'm giving you an example that he is running after the bus. So this sentence is properly expressed. That means it makes some sense to understand other people. Okay, so this is called the sentences. Now there are some identifications of the sentence, like a, a sentence must have a capital letter and a full stop. So these are the main thing, and some other based on the sentences are exclamation mark and a question mark. For example, I give you example for exclamation mark, and so I said, wow, what a wonderful dress. So after, in the end, you will mark a you will mark a exclamation sign. Okay, and for a question mark you will mark this sign. Okay, so for example, for the question mark is what is your name, so you will mark this. So in the sentence, these are the things that you have to remember. Now let's move on to another thing. What is a phrase? The phrase is the opposite of the sentence. A sentence was making some sense, a complete sense, but the phrase does not make the complete sense. Okay, for example, I give you a cricket match. So this phrase is not making any sense, because so this is called a phrase because it is not making a sense. That's why it's called a phrase. Okay, so second example is told a story. So again, it is not making a sense, so it is a phrase. And other examples are like told a story of all, are played a cricket, played a cricket. This is not a phrase. Okay, this is a phrase. Okay, so now next comes your this part. Sentences are divided into subject and a predicate. So what is a subject? The part of sentence which tells us who or what the sentence is about is called the sentence. So for the example I will understand. Okay, so the sun is setting. So setting is a verb, we know. Okay, action verb. This is a verb, but this is called the subject because who has done this task? The sun has done. So this is called the subject. Okay, so now let's move on to another thing, that is predicate. So now we have discussed about the subject. Now comes your predicate part. So the rest of the sentences which tells us about the subject and is called the predicate. So that means for them, they are saying that the rest of the sentence, that means we have discussed about the sun. The sun was the subject, and the rest thing is setting. So this is the predicate part. So this has to be done. And some other example, if I give you some other example, that I give you that a girl is dancing. So now a girl is a subject, as we know, and the rest of the thing is predicate. So now it will be easy to identify. So now, okay, so that's all for the sentences chapter. Okay, thanks for watching.